These mouth-watering ginger-infused treats are a perfect fusion of rich spices and warm sweetness, a fantastic twist to the classic Mandazi recipe. Hi, I'm Gakii and welcome to Gaki's kitchen. Let's jump right in. In a large bowl, add 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of cinnamon powder, a 1/4 teaspoon of cloves, a pinch of salt to enhance the flavors, and half a cup of sugar. Brown or white sugar is okay to use. You can use self-rising flour and leave out the baking powder. Mix until all the dry ingredients are well combined. In a separate bowl, beat 1 egg. Add half a cup of fresh milk, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix that together. Create a well in the middle of the dry ingredients and pour in the wet ingredients. Gently fold that in until they are well combined. Knead the dough for a few minutes. If it's still a little sticky, add a little flour and knead until you get a soft dough. Place the dough back on the bowl and cover it with a kitchen cloth. Cover and let the dough rest for about 30 minutes. That looks good. Turn the dough onto a floured surface and roll it out to your desired thickness. Cut the mandazis to your desired shapes and sizes. Heat the vegetable oil and carefully drop the gingerbread mandazis. Fry until they turn golden brown and flip to the other side for even cooking. Once they are fully cooked, place them on a bowl lined with paper towels to absorb any excess oil. Cook all the remaining mandazis. If you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on our delicious recipes. The mandazis are perfectly done and the aroma is irresistible. They look and taste delicious. They are soft, fluffy, and very yummy. Perfect as a snack or with any beverage of your choice. I hope you try making these mandazis. Trust me, your taste buds are in for a treat. Thank you for joining me today. Kindly give this video a thumbs up and comment below on your favorite mandazi variation. Check out my lemon mandazi recipe and I'll see you on the next one. Bye!